Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of America. And today, Carrie and I find ourselves in Lakewood Ranch, right here on the Gulf Coast, in a place called Waterside, which is really beautiful. We'll show it to you just in a second. Welcome to our channel. Happy to have you. Just a quick look how beautiful this is. This is actually Carrie's first time here. I had come here a few weeks ago and done a video on duck donuts, but it's about 5 o'clock at night. You can see the sun is getting ready to set. They still got the vestiges of Christmas out over here. Slowly but surely they're taking that down. You still got the tree. We didn't come here for Christmas. I think next year we'll come by here for Christmas and see what's going on. But absolutely beautiful. Very quiet day, but we'll show you some of the restaurants that are here. And hope you enjoy your stay with us. So we're here with Carrie, her first time at Waterside Lakewood Ranch. She's already scoping out where she wants to eat. This is a Mexican restaurant. What do you think so far? Your first time here?
This is really pretty. I like it. I'm going to come back. It has the water. It has some dogs. And it has a little bird over there that's just sitting there.
Pelicans, too.
Yeah, I don't know what kind of bird. But this Mexican restaurant, they have empanadas. You can't pass that up.
She was sniffing that out since the parking lot.
Yeah, it looks good.
You're representing with your Capricorn shirt I see there.
I'm Capricorn. Best sign.
Well, I'm Capricorn, too. I'm not going to argue with you. All right, let's continue. This is so serene here. It looks like almost, again, something out of Disney. Something you'd expect to see in Epcot or something. They look almost like hidden Mickeys. Carrie says no, but I say yes. Nice little scenic. Yeah, right? It's like hidden Mickeys or something?
No.
So this is, I guess, kind of like the main street in a way. It's called Waterside, as I said. Look how nice this bridge is. Really nice. There's like all kinds of homes. This Lakewood Ranch is very, very big. It's not really, this is actually the #1 community in America right now. It's very, very big. It's a little more spread out than Celebration where we used to live. It's kind of a different schematic, how it's been set up, but very beautiful, very, very beautiful indeed. And this is a very different alligator site. I've never seen this before, worded like this. Lakewood Ranch, Waterside. Notice, alligators live here. They are dangerous and should not be approached, frightened, or fed. Please give them the respect they deserve. Keep your distance. And that's Florida Statute 372.667. That's a different kind of sign. I've never seen that anywhere in Florida. So I guess we got alligators here too. Well, I just saw a pelican, so lots of wildlife here. This is just really nice. I mean, a great place to come to propose, or I always think videos, I think movies. If I ever have a big budget one day, I want to do a movie. This would be a great place for a movie, even whether it be a romantic movie or even like a scary movie. You could imagine like some kind of horror monster at the other end or something like that for Halloween. It'd be ultimately cool. Look at that. And this is like a little alcove on the side of the bridge. Carrie wants to get duck donuts. I have a video on duck donuts from the last time, but she has never been there, so we'll see what kind of donuts Carrie gets in duck donuts. If you haven't seen it or have never been to this place, it's amazing. It's unlike any donut store you've ever seen in your life. They don't have the donuts there when you walk in. They actually literally make them fresh when you walk in, and they have like a donut, like almost like a dessert bar, and you put out whatever you want on them. But Carrie's dying to get one of those to bring home for dessert later. Got a beautiful park here for families and stuff. Oh, I spotted Kilwins. Carrie likes that too. Kilwins all the way across the water there, the ice cream parlor. Yeah, so this is really nice how they have this. I mean, this is the bridge that Carrie and I just walked over. So you walk over that bridge and it kind of loops around and you head back into the other side of this Waterside over here, into this area. Really nice, like lots of condos. I imagine these are condos. Different kind of signs in brown. This is called Island Cove Terrace on this side. Very pretty though. There's a thing in Florida, it's right here, it's called mullet grass. It starts coming, I guess around October. It's in the kind of the colder weather in Florida. It starts coming out like in the fall, but it's very pretty. There's mullet grass right there for you. See it? It looks like a little bit of cotton candy in there. And you'll see that all through here. It's better look at it right here. You see it's kind of that purple hue. Really pretty. They also have it down at Turtle Beach. That's where I first saw it. So this is something I have not seen in my entire life. Speed limit 14 miles an hour, not 10, not 15, 14. That is literally a first. I have to one day find out what the idea behind that is. That is really, really different. Look at this, they still have the Christmas statues out. Looks like the Coca-Cola bear and his girlfriend. He's called Shivers. I forget what the female bear is called. So look at this, it's an Italian market. I thought this was a restaurant. You could actually get, it's like sandwiches and stuff. Meatballs, wow. Sausages. Peppers and onions. This is different. Or you could bring stuff home. We got mozzarella, chicken, all kinds of Italian sausages. Wow. Pepperoni, all kinds of meats, salamis, macaronis. Ah, they got the good stuff, Coca-Cola. Nice. And in here you got all your cheeses, fresh angel hair pasta. Nice. Very schmaltzy. That's amore. What do you think?
Got pestosa ravioli.
Wow, look at that, right from Brooklyn. Good old pestosa raviolis. Look at that. Kerry scoped that out. See, I missed that. Kerry's got a nose for it, that's for sure. So we even have a Kilwins here. I've not tried these Dubai Delights yet. This Dubai chocolates got really popular. Kilwins. Nice place, all kinds of different ice creams in there. Waffle cones, apples, candy. Lots of nice dogs around here. Look how cute this one is. He's adorable. So friendly. Hello. All right, so we've arrived at Duck Donuts. You excited about going to Duck's Donuts for your first time?
Sure.
She's all psyched. Lots of activity out here too. People playing cornhole to the sunset. Music. Look at that. So there's so many donuts here. There's actually a huge menu. Kerry's perusing it right now.
Cookie crumble. Looks
Seasonal.
good.
What?
Cookie crumble.
That's how the cookie crumbles. Wow, check this out. All kinds of ducks, as far as the eye can see. Wow. So everything's made fresh. You'll see the donuts coming out of here. And these are all your fixings on this side. Look at that, hot off the presses. What kind did you get again?
Cookie crumble with Oreos and strawberry.
Ah,
Not the strawberry one.
there's the strawberry.
Anything strawberry.
Wow. Homer Simpson would be proud.
How do they look?
Perfect.
That looks amazing.
Can't wait
Good
to
enough to
eat
eat.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Would you
Thank
have a
you.
plastic bag?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
It actually looks like Bavaria over here. It's like I'm in Epcot or Bavaria anyway. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this little visit to the #1 community in America. This is just one little slice of it, Waterside. This place is very big. Probably do a couple videos here. I've done a few over the years, but had never done over here yet. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. And please subscribe if you can. Really appreciate it. So for Alan Carey, have a good night, and we'll see you next time.